This video is going to be based off of problems from 10.2. You'll see the problem numbers off to the side. This first one is based off of number 1, the second one off of number 3, and so on. We're going to find solutions to the ordered pair solutions to this equation, which we talked about that in our last video. And then we're going to use those ordered pairs to graph the line, which gives us all solutions. So let's go ahead and plug 0 in for y and say that x minus 0 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So we're going to fill in this box here with a 3. And we're going to plot the point 3, 0 there. Then we're going to put in 1 for x, and 1 minus y is equal to 3. So negative y is equal to 2, and y is negative 2. So we have the point 1, negative 2. It's right there. Then we're going to put in negative 1 for y. X minus a negative 1 equals 3. X plus 1 equals 3. X equals 2. So we have the point 2, negative 1. And we can see that they form a nice line like this. And MyMathLab is actually going to do the graphing for you if you use the tool there, but I wanted to graph on the graph paper by hand just to show you how to do that, and make sure that you show these ordered pairs that you found nice and big here. Let's see, and 1. So we used any 2 of those 3 points would have determined the line, because geometry tells us that 2 points determine a line. Let's go on here. Negative 8 times 0 is 0. Negative 8 times negative 1 is 8. And negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. So we have 0, 0. And we have 1, negative 8. And we have negative 1, positive 8. This makes a pretty steep line here. Hope I get it on the first try, because, all right, much better if you have a straight edge to draw these. That's about as good as I can get it freehanding. All right. And you don't need a ruler to be a straight edge. You can use anything like a library card, driver's license, something like that that has a straight edge to it. So now I'm going to intentionally choose x to be multiples of 4, since there's a denominator of 4 there. 1/4 times 0 is 0. 1/4 times 4 is 1. 1/4 times negative 8 is negative 2. So the point 0, 0. I have 4, 1. And I have negative 8, negative 2. These points here to draw my line. There we go. Negative 2 times 0 plus 2 is 2. Negative 2 times 1 plus 2 is 0. And negative 2 times 2 plus 2 is negative 2. So every time I move 1, you see I'm moving down 2. We're going to talk about that in the next video with what we call slope. So there's the 0.02, there's the 0.10, and there's the 0.2, negative 2. And they form a line like this. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll come back and we will talk about intercepts. See you for the next video.